Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to Tekkit tutorials. This is number 11, and in this tutorial we're going to look at and cover the solar panels. So instead of burning all your coal in a generator, we can now have a nice efficient way of collecting energy through the sun. So to make the solar panel, we're going to have to first make two electronic circuits. So we're going to need 12 insulated copper cables. God, it's hard to remember all this stuff. 12. And then 4 pieces of redstone and 2 bits of refined iron. So, 3, damn it. 4. And then 2 pieces of refined iron. So refined iron, again, is just you put normal iron into a furnace and then it's refined. So if we go ahead and go over to the crafting table, and we put the copper cables around these 2 lines here, the 2 iron in the middle, redstone. Okay, so we got the 2 electronic circuits, which are going to go like that. The next thing we need to do is make a generator. So there are there's 2 different ways you can do this, but I'm going to do it the easy way, well, what I think is the easy way. So first thing we need to do is make a furnace. So let's go ahead and get 8 of that, 8 cobblestone. God, we all know how to make a furnace, surely. So that's the furnace. Then we need to make a machine block, which is 8 pieces of refined iron, 7, 8, and we put that all around the outside, like so. So we've got that, and whoops, sorry, it goes that way round. And then the final thing we need to do is make an RE battery. So if I remember correctly, it is you need 1 insulated copper cable, 2 pieces of redstone, and 4 tin. So let's go ahead and grab the redstone. Whoops, should have got the tin while I was up here. Yeah, 4 pieces of tin. Where's my tin? There it is. And if we go ahead and go over to a crafting bench, or table, whatever you like. I'm pretty sure it's like this. Let me just... Yep, okay, so that's the RE battery, and then this is going to go like so. And we've got the generator, so that's the bottom line. The rest is actually quite easy. What you're going to have to do is get 3 pieces of glass and 3 bits of coal dust. So glass is easy enough, let's just get that. So the glass goes here, here, and here. But coal dust, so we haven't actually covered this. Coal dust, all you need, it's really simple. You just get... Well, we're gonna need 3 bits of coal dust. So we're gonna get 3 bits of normal coal, and we're going to go and find a macerator. So you should have already made a macerator by now, if you've been following my tutorials. If you don't have one, go check out my macerator tutorial. You will need one. So which one's the macerator again? Nope, that's the extractor. Okay, here. So you put coal into a macerator, and it slowly turns it into coal dust, which is what we need for these final 3 spaces, and that's gonna make a solar panel. Now obviously 1 isn't gonna produce much power, but this is just for a demonstration. Obviously you can make a lot more if you want to, and while that's doing that, I'm just gonna show you this room is powered by, up here, 5 solar panels. So that's what they're gonna look like. So yeah, this room here is powered by solar panels. So much more efficient than using, you know, regular generators and whatever. Yeah. Come on. Okay, 1 more coal dust left. So coal dust, and then come on. So the solar panel isn't just gonna, you know, it's not just gonna power stuff just with a solar panel. It needs to go along something, like a wire or something. So that's where the glass fiber cables come in. But I'll explain that in a second. Let's go ahead and go back to the crafting table, or bench, if you like, and make the solar panel. Bit of a lag there, god damn it. Alright, so let's put these in the correct places. Alright, generator in the middle, and then the electronic circuits around it. So that's going to make the solar panel, as you can see. Now, we need wires so that the energy can travel along, like the wires, if you know what I mean. So for this, we're actually going to make what's called glass fiber cables. So what we're going to need for that are 6 pieces of glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 bits of redstone and a diamond, I think. I'm pretty sure. And if we go over to a crafting table, it's gonna look like this. So it's almost like a wire recipe. Well, it is a wire, so yeah. So that makes glass fiber cables. Now 4 is probably not going to be enough, but for now we're just going to make 4. You can make more if you want. Now I explained to you now that the further away the solar panel is from what it's powering, the less power it's gonna give, if you know what I mean. So if you have the solar panel like 2 blocks away from a macerator, say, it's gonna be fine. It's not gonna lose barely any power. But say the solar panel's way like 30 blocks over there, and then the macerator was here, it's gonna lose power. But thanks to glass fiber cables, it doesn't lose too much, so I would recommend using glass fiber cables. So what we've got here is a macerator, bat box, and copper cables. So I can show you an example. We're gonna just cheat and turn it to daytime here. So I'm gonna whack down the solar panel, right? And I'm gonna connect this up to a bat box. If I put this way around. So the glass fiber cable is going to come into the bat box here, and as you can see, this solar panel is now filling up the bat box with power, if you like, and I'm going to connect this up to a macerator. So if I put that there, and copper cables, there we go, it's powering up the macerator now. So when we use the macerator, yeah, so we can now use the macerator from solar energy. So we no longer need to burn coal and waste all that because we've got lovely solar panels. Yay! So that's solar panels and glass fiber cables, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please like the video, or if you haven't already, subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later, guys. Goodbye.